Hello guys, good afternoon. Ayun, nandito ko guys, kumakain ng mangga. Ang daming mangga ko guys. Ayun, galing kay Sis Jayan at saka kay Bansyong. Ayun, kain tayo guys. Naku, ako lang kumakain mag-isa nito guys. Kailan maubos-ubos ko to siya guys. Sobrang dami nito guys. Ako lang kakain. Kaya parang nagmukbang na ako nito ngayon guys. Kain tayo guys. Mm. 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 Kain tayo guys. Kain, let's eat. Mm. Mm. Sobrang tamis guys, napaka-juicy. Yun lang guys, maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. Have a good day guys. Keep safe and God bless. Thank you so much. Bye.